Did you know that the Great Temple at Abu Simbel in Egypt is a masterpiece of ancient Egyptian architecture, built by Pharaoh Ramesses II in the 13th century BC? It is one of the most impressive monuments in Egypt, with its colossal statues of the pharaoh and intricate hieroglyphic carvings dedicated the Great Temple to the sun gods Amon-Re, Ptah and Re-Horakhte. What makes it even more fascinating is that the entire temple was relocated in the 1960s to save it from being submerged by the rising waters of Lake Nasser. This incredible feat of engineering involved cutting the temple into blocks and reassembling it on higher ground, preserving it for future generations to admire. Want more mind-blowing facts about the world's best attractions? Subscribe to our channel now.